Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm working on a 2015 Nissan Altima. I'm going to show you how to change your tag lamp and also your bulb for your tag light, alright? The reason why I'm changing this one is because it's messed up. I have the new one right here. This the port number right here. And this what it looked like when it's not in the car, alright? So this is what it looked like when it's not in the car. And guys, excuse me, there's a lot of junk in this car. Just came back from the body shop, so the tag lamp is out and I'm gonna change it, alright? So up here you're gonna have these clips. You're gonna locate them, all of them, right here, right here, right here, right here, 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 and here, and here, alright? You're gonna locate all of them and unclip them, alright? You're gonna pull this down, just leave it hanging so it can go through this space right here. Alright? And to do that, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. And you go in here. Alright? You just need to get this part out first and come out like this, right? Yeah, you can use a flathead screwdriver or a clip puller. As you see, I use a flathead screwdriver in the first part of the video just to show you can use that if that's what you have. But if you have a clip puller, it will be much easier to take them out with that. You can already see it's falling down already. Alright, so you want to get this through the slot right here. And just to come down to get this out of the way. And if you're just changing the bulb, which is right there, I'm going to show you how you do that. Alright, you're going to have like 4 10mm. You have one right there, another one right here, and another one right here, and another one right here. Right here, alright? So, I know I'm going to show you, I said I'm going to show you how to change your tag lamp and the bulb. So this is the bulb part. So far, you come here, twist this out, pull down, take the old bulb out. Alright, put the old bulb, a new bulb in. This is just a demonstration. If your lamp is still good, that's how you change the bulb alone, right? But if your lamp is messed up like this one, it's also going to show you how to change that. After you do that, you put it back up into the right slot. So after you do that, you put it back up into the right slot. You might need to spin it around a few times, but you put it right up in the spot. Twist it in, and that's it. Alright, so now for who want to change the lamp itself, that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna need that 10mm. After you take off that, you're gonna need a 10mm to take out those screws. Alright, screws and nut. 10mm right here. Take that out. Got another one right here. Take that out. Got another one right here. out. And you have another one right here. You want to take that out also. Alright, so now you can pull on the chrome piece. But these clips right here, you want to squeeze them in. So I'm gonna get a pliers and squeeze them in. Alright, so you're gonna have this clip right here. You want to squeeze it like that. See if I can show that to you. So you want to squeeze it like that, push up on it. So I got it to go up a little bit. It's the same thing right here. I can show that to you over there. Right there. I'm gonna squeeze this. I'm gonna squeeze this right here and push up on it. Alright, so that go up. So you want to do that and pull at it at the same time, alright? You want to be pushing on it and pulling at it at the same time. You want to squeeze right here, pull up. Squeeze right here, pull up. Put the rest of the clips on. Push up and pull up. So you want to unplug this right here. So you squeeze right here to unplug it and push this through. You just want to push that through. Alright. Get this off. So these are the clips I was telling you to squeeze. You just gotta squeeze these in right here. Same thing right here, and it's 4 of them. You gotta squeeze them in and push up while squeezing it and pulling on this at the same time. All right. Now this gives you access to this, the camera, and that's how you change the button too. You have to squeeze right here to take out the button. And just like that, you change the button. So this, you have a pull you gotta get a flathead screwdriver. Get this right here, pull on it and pull up. Alright. And because our new switch, our new bulb, our new lamp come with a bulb in it, we're just gonna unplug it from here. Get the new one, plug it in, and pop it back into the socket till the air clip in. You can check underneath. It's locked in properly, nice and tight. And it will be the same thing for over here. You'd come back here, squeeze this out right there and take it out like that. All right. So now I'm gonna put back this right here. Put back the seal into place. You want to put back the seal, lock it back into place right there. yeah, you want to catch all your screws and tighten them up. So yeah, you want to catch all your screws and clip them up. This lock back into place, plug this in, right? It worked. So you want to get all their clips. Right. So yeah, guys, I finished everything. Everything is all good. Button to work all together. Tail lamp, tog lamp work, or license plate light work, and that's it, guys.